In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now getting a lot of volatility within the past few hours. But the question is, where are we heading with the Bitcoin price action? And then on top of that, we are also going to give you an update with the SLP price action as we want to know, are we going to break this next resistance? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So yeah, let's give you a quick recap na sa ating previous analysis kay Bitcoin price. So diba kahapon, ang minamonitor kasi natin kahapon is yung ascending triangle na nag-form dito sa both in the hourly as well as in the 4 time frame. Pero something happened last night. We saw this massive volatility swings. So as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng biglang pump and dump action. We tried breaking out bullish, so that's why initially our target was around the 46.7k. Pero yun nga, nagkaroon ng massive red candle. I think someone sold. Kasi tingnan nyo, ang laki ng sell volume na to. It could be possible may malaking account na nag-isang bagsakang sell kahapon kaya nag-cause ng malaking downward movement dito sa Bitcoin price. But if you're going to look at this, hanggang dun lang yung sell volume niya. If you're going to look at the 4 time frame, hindi ganun kalaki yung sell volume niya as compared to the buy volume na nakita natin kahapon. So, yeah, I think nagkakaroon tayo ng pump and dump movement dito. So, in this case, you could actually see na the Bitcoin price is right now consolidating just above the 50 moving average in the 4 time frame. So, in this case, it could be possible na ang nangyari na dito is nagkaroon na tayo ng breakdown sa ating 20 moving average. It's possible na magka-consolidate na lang to muna further with the Bitcoin price rather than magkaroon ng breakout. So, look at this. Right now, we are more likely consolidating within this area. So in this case, ano ba yung consolidation area na titingnan natin dito with the Bitcoin price? Well, of course, first things first, ating Fibonacci retracement area, 41.6k is a massive support. But as you can see, the 50 moving average in the 4 time frame is actually increasing. So this could be a possible support area if you're going to watch out for the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, I think ang maganda tingnan dito would still be around the 42.9k. So let's try to draw a line from the 42.9k. And yan yung titingnan natin na support. And then the resistance would still be the 45,000 US dollars. So, or siguro 44.9k. So for the time being, siguro let's expect more pump and dump movement muna dito with the Bitcoin price action. Not unless mag-catch up yung ating 50 moving average. And then siguro pag nakapag-catch up na yun, dyan tayo mag-expect ng move. But for the time being, as you can see, ang dami natin pump and dump movement lately with the Bitcoin price action. So, for the time being, that is what we are going to monitor. If we are going to see a massive move once we touch the 50 moving average. So yung muna gagawin natin dito for the time being. But guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best places to trade that is actually in BingX kasi dito mas mura tayong Bitcoin trading fees. And if you want to claim bonus dito, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. Now, let's dive into Ethereum. So pretty much with Ethereum, ganun din yung nangyari. Nagkakaroon din tayo ng pump and dump movement lately. But as you can see, as compared to the Bitcoin price action, dito kay Ethereum, andun na tayo sa ating 50 moving average. So, it's possible na pwede tayo makuha dito ng bounce with the Ethereum price action kasi look at this. The last time na nandun tayo, we get bounces dito sa Ethereum price action. And then like right now, we are back at that 50 moving average. So right now, we are going to monitor if we are going to get a bounce dito. But relatively speaking, I think this is just following the same analysis with the Bitcoin price action kasi look at that. Ang pinag-iiba lang is nag-bleed ng paunti-unti si Ethereum and nakapunta na siya sa 50 moving average. Yeah, right now, I think mag-expect na lang muna tayo ng pump and dump movement dito. More consolidations dito with Ethereum price action. Let's try to open a Fibonacci retracement. And as you can see, confluent din siya actually dito kay Ethereum price action na meron tayong pump and dump resistance and support area ng movement dito. So I think ang kailangan natin tingnan dito is magkakaroon ba tayo ng breakout. If ma-break ni Ethereum yung certain support and resistance area, then ang kailangan natin ma-break is actually the 3,268 US dollars in order for us to see na continue si Ethereum pataas. But for the time being, since nakapag-touch tayo dito sa 50 moving average, pwede tayo siguro mag-bounce to the upside. That is what we are going to watch out dito. Siguro let's try to look at this in the 15-minute time frame and try to check if meron tayong divergences. Well, looking at this, hindi consistent yung movement ni Ethereum dito. But you could somehow say na this could be a ascending triangle dito kay Ethereum. If this is an ascending triangle, then we might see this movement play out for the 15-minute time frame for the very short term lang to actually. If this breaks bullish, then this is what we are going to get, the height that could lead us around the 3.1k US dollar Ethereum. And that is what you're going to monitor right now for the Ethereum price action. And yeah, Resistance talaga dito kay Ethereum is around the $3,260 area. So yun yung ating i-monitor for the time being. And the support would be around the $3,036. So yun yung ating i-monitor natin for the time being dito. And now, let's dive into SLP kasi look at this. SLP has finally met our target, which is around the 100-day moving average. And then siguro yung mga next question dito na nagtatanong is tuloy-tuloy na ba tayo kay SLP? Well, to answer that, kailangan lang natin i-consider muna yung mga iba't ibang short-term movements. Kasi if we're going to look at the shorter time frames, let's try to look at these smaller time frames. You can see RSI is still declining even though na the price is increasing. As you can see, RSI is rapidly declining. So this is not a good sign na talaga. And in order for us to continue to the upside, kailangan muna natin ma-break itong trend ng lower high dito sa ating RSI. In order for us to see a continuous movement to the upside, kailangan magkaroon ng higher high dito sa ating RSI, which is what we are not seeing right now. So right now, for me, this is a warning talaga for the SLP price action, which I've been telling you for the past 3 days. Kasi look at that. Price is increasing while the RSI is declining. That is not a good sign. Looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, you can also see the similar trend na the RSI is also declining. So right now, it's just a matter of time on when are we going to see that correction. Kasi look at that. Grabe yung pag-decline na natin sa RSI. Kita-kita siya sa hourly as well as the 4-hour time frame. Ngayon dito sa daily, as you can see, it's still overbought. But yeah, right now, sa daily, there are still no signs of a bearish trend reversal. But for the 4-hour time frame, hourly as well as the 15-minute time frame, ang dami nating indicators na nagsasabi na anytime soon pwede tayo magkaroon ng trend reversal na dito kay SLP. So kung iniisip nyo humabol kay SLP, sinabi ko naman sa video natin kahapon na hindi na ito maganda humabol kasi look at that. Ang dami na nating bearish signals na nag-form. Much as possible, huwag kayo ma-FOMO sa mga ganitong movement kasi possible na maipit kayo if biglang nag-trend reversal to. And take note guys, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kahapon? And take note guys, di ba sabi ko kahapon, pwede pa to umakit o umakyat? Kasi ganun yung nature ng bearish divergence. Pwede pa siya umakit o umakyat. At the same time, yung kanyang RSI is declining. And that would indicate na it's continuing the bearish divergence. And in that case, that is a very dangerous move talaga. Kasi this could actually lead into a massive breakdown if lalo niya pang kinontinue yung bearish divergences. So as much as possible, dapat ma-play na ni SLP yung bearish divergence bago pa to in order for us to remain healthy. Kasi kung kino-continue na lang na matagal yung bearish divergence, then of course, parang fini-fuel niya yung bears natin na mag-decline to the downside. Kasi if let's say in-extend ni SLP yung kanyang bearish divergence, then fini-fuel niya lang yung ating bearish momentum dito kay SLP. So we don't want that to happen. So in order for SLP to remain bullish or in order for SLP to remain healthy, SLP needs to correct para kahit paano maging healthy movement niya. Kasi kung hindi, yun nga sinabi ko kanina. And right now, as you can see, ang dami na nating signs with the SLP price action of a bearish divergence, but the problem is it's still extending. So right now, you should be very careful right now. Di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo for the past few days, I don't think na maganda humabol dyan, kahit sabihin pa nating abutin ka na 50% movement dyan. If let's say humabol ka dito, tapos nag-pump siya ng 24%, tapos from 24%, bigla siyang bumagsak ng negative 63. Do you think that's worth the risk? I don't think so. So if gusto nyo pumasok kay SLP, you just enter in for the very short term lang muna. And if you want to enter in for the long term, you badly need to wait for the RSI to go down below the 30 threshold. Kasi right now, we are still above 70, which is indicating that it is still a selling signal and selling opportunity. So, as much as possible, remember na huwag kayo ma-FOMO sa magantong movement. It doesn't mean na pataas pa ng pataas, ibig sabihin nagbibili ka. Pag pataas ng pataas, it means that is the area where you should take profits along the way. If nakapag-sell na kayo, okay lang yan, hayaan nyo na yan. Wag na kayo mahinayang na napag-iwanan kayo na pump. Remember, profit is profit, secure profit, and as much as possible, if mag-sell kayo, sell partial lang, sell 30%, and then wag kayo mag-sell all in. Kasi let's say pag umakit palalo, at least meron pa kayo nakahawak na SLP. So in this case, since namitan natin yung ating target dito sa ating daily time frame, take profit ng 30%, at the same time, mag-hodl ka ulit ng remaining, and then yung nabenta mo na, wag na kayo mahinayang guys. If nabenta nyo na, hayaan nyo na yun, pera na yun, and wag nyo na ipasok pa kasi pag pinasok nyo pa yan, sinusugol nyo lang ulit, and that is over trading. And yeah, as much as possible, control your emotions, huwag kayo madala sa hype, and always remember to trade by the data. So, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.